Welcome to African Village Life, African Village Food. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mogo from Embu, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking village pillau in the rural villages of Kenya. Welcome. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for your returning viewers, returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my channel. We are 544 subscribers, way to 1,000 subscribers. We start by cutting our meat into pieces. Then we boil the meat. We start by cutting our meat into pieces. This is an African mom, an African queen, busy. After cutting our meat, we add salt, then we boil for some minutes for it to cook. Then we start cooking our pillau. Pillau is a rice and meat. Remember, in our villages, we don't use spices because some of us, they don't eat it. Okay, our recipe. Our recipes are tomatoes, garlic, meat, and rice, and oil. Remember, our sufuria are black in color outside. We live in the villages, we live a simple life. Wow. Then we cover our meat so that it will be ready for some time. In the other side, we will continue cutting our tomatoes into pieces, mashing our garlic, cutting onions. Remember, in our pillau, we use two types of onions, spring onions and the normal onions, for it to be delicious. This is an African mom, an African queen, busy doing her house chores. Remember, my channel is new. I'm new in YouTube. Kindly support by subscribing our channel. Remember to click the button so that you will be reminded when we have uploaded a new video in our YouTube channel. Those are garlic, onions. Those are garlic, onions, tomatoes, spring oils, salt, and oil. Remember, in Embu, we use fresh fry oil for cooking. Wow, you can see, delicious. The meat is ready. The meat is ready. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mogo from Margaret Joki Mogo from Embu, Kenya, Africa. Kindly, humble request to subscribe to my channel. Like, and share to your friends. Remember to comment in the comment section. Let me know in your village, let me know in your country, how do you cook pillau? We are cooking pilau nyama or pilau meat. In Kiambu tunaita nyama. Nyama is meat. Those are onions, normal onions. Wow, the beauty of buns. Wow. Kindly follow, share and like, comment. I can't see comments in my videos. Kindly comment. Let me know whether I'm cooking good, where I can do better. Comment whether the food is yummy. Those are spring onions. We add spring onions on our pilau. Spring onions. So tomatoes. We cut manually. In the villages we live simple life. Remember, we are cooking in the rural villages of Kenya, Africa. Kindly support my channel by subscribing my channel. Subscribe. Guys, way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm doing my best. Remember, my channel is based on cooking, culture, entertainment, and others, and house chores, morning routine, evening routine, and others. Remember, we are cooking pilau for lunch. We have to mash our garlic. Those are our garlic onions. Remember, we will not add many spices in our pilau. In villages, some people don't consume those spices, so we use local spices, garlic and onions and tomatoes. Those are enough. Thank you guys for continuing to support. Thank you for your viewers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. I could not ever make it if you are not in my side. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Straight away, we start cooking our pilau. This is firewood. This is firewood. Start by frying onion first. First we fry onions first. The pilau is so simple to cook. So simple. We add oil in our sufuria. Then next we add onions. We add onions. Then we stir until we cook them into brown, golden brown onions. For a tasty pilau, you have to cook your onions until they are golden brown. Golden brown in color. We add our nyama. We add our meat. We add tomato. Then we add salt. We add garlic. Then we leave it to cook until the nyanya and garlic are cooked and ready to add water. We add water. Then we leave it to boil. We leave it to boil. Then after boiling, we shall wash our rice and herb. This is our home garden, kitchen garden. Wow. This is rice. This is rice. Kindly comment. Let me see in the comment section whether I'm doing good. Okay. We have to select our rice well. Wow. This is Kenyan rice. Remember, we are cooking food for lunch. Pillau rice or pilau nyama rice. After the water is boiled, we wash our rice and straight away the boiling water. Wow. We add our rice respectively. This is rice. And we leave it to boil. And the food will be ready after 30 minutes. After boiling for some minutes, we shall put our rice on some moderate fire so that it will cook so that it will dry slowly. So we have to use a root leaf to cover well. Use a root leaf, then we cover with the reed. Then we add some firewood on the reed so that the rice will dry slowly for some minutes. And the food will be ready. Wow. We shall wait for some minutes. Wow, our pilau is ready. Let us see. Wow, very delicious, very delicious. Wow, our pilau is ready. Yummy, delicious. Wow, let us enjoy our food together. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, we are located in Embu, Kenya, Africa. Our pilau nyama is ready. Pilau and meat. Nyama in Kiembu ni nyama. True. We don't use spices. You can see the food is the rice is so brown and delicious. Wow. 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 Yummy. The food is ready for us. Let us enjoy it. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for comments. Thank you for likes. Wait to 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Enjoy the food together. Let us enjoy the food. Wow, the food is so delicious. Wow, yummy. Wow, wow.